Nestled in the heart of Manipur, India, lies the serene town of Lilong. This picturesque town is surrounded by lush green hills and valleys, offering a breathtaking view that captivates anyone who visits. The town's natural beauty is complemented by its tranquil atmosphere, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. It is a place where time seems to slow down. The slow pace of life here allows visitors to truly relax and unwind. As the sun sets over the calm landscape, the sky is painted with hues of orange and pink, creating a mesmerizing view that is hard to forget. Lilong is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Despite its beauty, it remains relatively unknown to the outside world, which adds to its charm. The town is nestled in a valley surrounded by lush greenery that provides a sense of peace and serenity. Its natural beauty and rich cultural tapestry offer a unique and unforgettable experience. The town is home to a diverse range of cultural festivals that showcase the rich heritage of the region. Traditional dance performances and local festivities are a common sight, providing a glimpse into the vibrant culture of Lilong. This essay will explore the enchanting world of Lilong. From its scenic trails and paths to its picturesque town centre, there is so much to see and do in Lilong. Whether you are an avid hiker or simply looking to explore the natural surroundings, Lilong has something to offer for everyone. Lilong is a place of tranquility and charm. The rural village scene is a stark contrast to the bustling cities, offering a peaceful retreat for those looking to escape the noise and chaos of urban life. The picturesque countryside town is a perfect example of the simple yet beautiful life that Lilong offers. It is a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The serene natural landscape provides a perfect backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you're looking to take a leisurely stroll through the town or simply sit back and enjoy the view, Lilong offers a peaceful escape from the stresses of everyday life. The town is renowned for its pristine landscapes and warm hospitality. The locals are known for their friendliness and welcoming nature, making visitors feel at home. The untouched natural landscapes provide a perfect setting for those looking to connect with nature and experience the beauty of the region. Lilong is an ideal destination for nature enthusiasts and cultural explorers alike. Whether you are looking to hike through beautiful scenery or engage with local traditions, Lilong offers a unique and enriching experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Lilong is located in the Tobal district of Manipur. It is situated in a picturesque valley. The town is surrounded by rolling hills and lush green fields. The Imphal River flows gracefully through the region. The landscape of Lilong is dotted with numerous lakes and ponds. These water bodies add to the scenic beauty of the region. They also play a vital role in supporting a diverse ecosystem. The fertile soil and abundant water resources make Lilong an agricultural paradise. Lilong is blessed with rich biodiversity. The region is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. The hills are covered with dense forests. These forests are home to many species of trees, including teak, bamboo, and oak. The forests of Lilong are teeming with wildlife. You can find animals like deer, wild boars, and monkeys. The region is also home to a variety of bird species. These include peacocks, hornbills, and kingfishers. Lilong experiences a tropical monsoon climate. The weather is characterized by warm temperatures and high humidity. The region receives heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. This is from June to September. The monsoon rains bring life to the region's ecosystem. They replenish the water bodies and nourish the vegetation. The climate of Lilong plays a crucial role in shaping its unique flora and fauna. It also influences the agricultural practices of the local communities. Section 5. Culture and Tradition, where nature meets heritage. The people of Lilong share a deep connection with nature. Nestled in the heart of a lush valley, Lilong is a place where the rhythms of life are in harmony with the natural world. The villagers here have a profound respect for their environment, which is evident in their daily lives and cultural practices. Their culture and traditions are intertwined with the natural environment. The fields and forests are not just resources, but are considered sacred spaces that sustain life. The community's agricultural practices are designed to work with nature, not against it, ensuring sustainability for future generations. Agriculture is the mainstay of the local economy. The fertile lands of Lilong are perfect for growing a variety of crops, and the villagers take great pride in their farming heritage. The techniques they use have been passed down through generations, each one adding to the rich tapestry of their agricultural knowledge. Rice is the staple crop. The sight of golden rice fields swaying in the breeze is a common and cherished one in Lilong. Harvest time is a period of great activity and joy as families come together to gather the fruits of their labor. Other crops include maize, potatoes, and vegetables. These crops provide essential nutrients and variety to the local diet, ensuring that the community remains healthy and well-nourished. The diversity of crops also helps to maintain soil fertility and reduce the risk of crop failure. Lilong is known for its vibrant festivals. These celebrations are a testament to the community's rich cultural heritage and their deep connection to the land. Festivals are times of joy and togetherness where traditions are honored and passed on to the next generation. These festivals are a celebration of life, nature, and harvest. They are marked by colorful parades, traditional music and dance, all of which reflect the community's appreciation for the bounty of nature and the cycles of life. One such festival is Lai Haraoba. This ancient festival is a vibrant display of the community's spiritual beliefs and their reverence for the natural world. It is a time when the entire village comes together to honor their deities and celebrate their cultural identity. It is a traditional Manipuri festival that honors the local deities. The rituals performed during Lai Haraoba are deeply symbolic, representing the creation of the universe and the harmony between humans and nature. These ceremonies are a reminder of the community's spiritual roots and their ongoing relationship with the divine. During this festival, the locals perform traditional dances and music. The performances are not just entertainment, but are considered offerings to the gods, expressing gratitude and seeking blessings for the future. The music and dance are integral parts of the festival, bringing the community together in a shared experience of joy and reverence.
Section 6, Ecotourism Potential, Unveiling the Hidden Beauty. Lilong has immense potential for ecotourism. Its pristine landscapes, rich biodiversity and unique culture make it an ideal destination for nature lovers. Tourists can enjoy activities like trekking, bird watching and boating. The development of ecotourism can bring numerous benefits to the region. It can create employment opportunities for the local communities. It can also help in raising awareness about the importance of conservation.
Section 7, Environmental Challenges, Protecting the Gem. Despite its natural beauty, Lilong faces environmental challenges. Deforestation, pollution and climate change are some of the pressing issues. These threats pose a risk to the delicate ecosystem of the region. Deforestation leads to habitat loss for wildlife. It also contributes to soil erosion and water scarcity. Pollution from agricultural runoff and industrial waste contaminates water bodies. Climate change is causing changes in rainfall patterns. This impacts agriculture and increases the frequency of extreme weather events. Section 8, Conservation Efforts, Preserving Lilong's Natural Heritage. Recognizing the environmental challenges, efforts are being made to conserve Lilong's natural heritage. Local communities are actively involved in conservation initiatives. These include tree planting drives and awareness campaigns. The government is also implementing policies to promote sustainable development. These policies aim to balance economic growth with environmental protection. It is crucial to continue and strengthen these efforts to safeguard Lilong's natural beauty for future generations. Section 9, Conclusion, Lilong, a symphony of nature and culture. Lilong is a testament to the harmonious relationship between nature and culture. Nestled in the heart of a lush, verdant landscape, this region is a living, breathing example of how human traditions can coexist beautifully with the natural world. The people of Lilong have long understood the importance of maintaining this delicate balance, and their way of life reflects a deep respect for the environment that surrounds them. Its pristine landscapes, rich biodiversity, and vibrant traditions make it a truly special place. The forests are teeming with wildlife, from the smallest insects to majestic birds and mammals. The air is filled with the sounds of nature, creating a symphony that is both soothing and invigorating. Traditional villages are nestled within these natural surroundings, where the architecture and layout of the homes are designed to blend seamlessly with the environment. However, the environmental challenges facing the region cannot be ignored. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change pose significant threats to this delicate ecosystem. The once clear rivers are now at risk of contamination, and the forests that have stood for centuries are being encroached upon. These issues not only threaten the natural beauty of Lilong, but also the cultural heritage that is so deeply intertwined with the land. It is our collective responsibility to protect and preserve this hidden gem. The local community has already taken significant steps towards conservation, organizing cleanup activities and advocating for sustainable practices. Volunteers from around the world join hands with the residents of Lilong, working tirelessly to restore and maintain the natural beauty of the region. These efforts are a testament to the power of community and the shared commitment to safeguarding our planet. By promoting sustainable practices and raising awareness, we can ensure that Lilong continues to enchant and inspire generations to come. Sustainable farming practices are being implemented to reduce the impact on the environment, and educational programs are being conducted to teach the younger generation about the importance of conservation. These initiatives are crucial in fostering a sense of responsibility and stewardship for the natural world. Let us cherish and safeguard this symphony of nature and culture. As we witness the breathtaking sunrises and sunsets over Lilong's landscape, let us be reminded of the beauty and fragility of our natural world. Whether hiking through its verdant trails or participating in cultural festivities, every moment spent in Lilong is a reminder of the harmonious relationship between humanity and nature. Together, we can ensure that this symphony continues to play for many years to come.